Them, Haribol, Dandavas.
Jai Srila Bhakti Nirmalacharya Maharaj ki.
I can see you all, very nice. I am very happy to see you all. Very good, many devotees there. Many devotees are there, I can see. Prabhupada Krishna is there in behind of you. Yes, Prabhupada I can see. Yes. Where is Nandapriya? I cannot see Nandapriya. Yes, behind, yes. Okay, now I can see, yes. Yes. Baba, sky blue color. Okay. Actually, I am very happy. I can see Gurudev through you all. When I see you, I can see Gurudev like this. Can you hear me? Actually, by the grace of Nimai Prabhu and he started, he told me Maharaj tomorrow can program. Yes, I told no problem. I am very happy to do this talk with the devotees. So many days I could not see you because of I was very busy. Festival in Govardhan, Gurudev Samadhi installation there. After that, here is Paniyati Utsav. I went to Nepal opening center and I went to North Bengal in Dinhata opening on center and big center, and Ganga Sagar is the Bay of Bengal. That bank of the Bay of Bengal I open on center. Then I open on center in Delhi also. That is for that. And few days before I went to Siliguri, maybe you saw the photo. Gurudev's Vigraha is installation there. You saw that photo?
Yes.
Very nice photo. Yes, that's photo. Actually, everybody saw. I am very happy there. Actually, many devotees, many Bengali people from here, because Siliguri temple, Gurudev wanted to go, but now manifested. Siliguri devotees are very happy. Now they can worship every day to Gurudev. If Gurudev went there maybe 5 or 6, 7 days, now the Gurudev's Vigraha deities they can worship every day.
Yes.
Now your community in Brazil is going on properly. I am very happy through your preaching. And very nice preaching you are doing. Every day you are doing that. Sanpalo, you are many devotees are program I hearing every times. and getting news. That is very good news. Preaching is going on. Is very good way. Gurudev left us for that. Why? Gurudev left us, we have to fulfill his desire. That is Gurudev, we make happy to Gurudev in this way. Otherwise cannot do, we cannot make happy to Gurudev. You are thinking Gurudev always is existing, always is Nitya Lila, always is doing his pastime all time. For that, Gurudev left us. Yes, he has fulfilled. What works, what service he could not finish, we have to finish his service. That is the disciple's duty. That is the disciple's works. What duty he could not finish, we have to finish together his word, his things. That is necessary. That is necessary. We will preach for Guru. We will make him happy. That is our main goal. That is our main desire. That will be main desire. Actually, is like we do not want to be a guru. We do not want to be a big position. We only want his servant and we want to fulfill his desire. That is necessary. That is necessary. For that I am always opening center. I am giving more time to India, preaching everywhere and giving the nourishment to the devotees. All time I am doing. Understand, in this way. But you also doing there. I am also very happy in Brazil. You are opening center in São Paulo, main city. That is, I am very happy. And there also Shivanandani also doing something, preaching going on. Last few days ago I gave initiation few devotees by through internet. It is, I am also, he is also doing as much he can do. For that this is necessary. Sadhu Sangha, Nam Sankirtan, Bhagavad Sravan, Mathura Vas, Shraddhai, Shrimurti Sevan, Jive Daya, Name Ruchi, Vaishnav Seva. Jive Daya means you are giving to sense to serve. You are serving to the Guru and you are giving sense to other to serve our Guru. That is the devotee's real benefit. We also getting real benefit through that. We are doing service for Guru and we are giving sense to other to serve our Guru. For that we are giving sense that to others. That is called Jive Daya. We are not eating ourselves, we are giving sense to eat also. For that is we are feeding others. That is our main things. Name Ruchi, that is called chanting the holy name. In this age of Kali, that is the holy name is the best. Krishna himself appear in this holy as a form of name. For that we are chanting and we are engaging to sense others. Chant, we are giving engaging to others. In this way we are very happy. Some Sankirtan and every day you are offering bhog and prasad distribution and preaching. That is our movement through the yoga class. Yoga school people will come yoga class. Through that you will giving lectures Srimad Bhagavad Gita and Chaitanya means conception, Krishna consciousness. You are preaching. Before that São Paulo that Parvat Maharaj is doing. That is very nice and I am very happy that. And how is Govinda Nandini? He is okay? No, not now. She is okay. He's every time she is doing program.
Yes, Govinda Mohini.
Govinda Mohini, yes. She is doing program.
Yes, Rashid 12 this weekend. The devotees were in her house.
Yes, good. Yes.
How are you doing?
Very nice. And any other question for others? Any devotee, new devotee, any other question? Prabhupada Krishna.
There are some new people I wanted to show to you so you can see them.
Yes. Yes.
Because they are coming and they are chanting the holy name and they are very dear to us because they are coming to Mayoga every day almost. And we are affectionate to them and I wanted to show them to you.
And where is that devotee who you brought him here? No, you brought her here. Where is that devotee?
What is that? Didi.
That Didi?
Kumudini?
Kumudini not coming?
She's here.
Where is she? How are you, Kumudini? How are you? ¿Cómo estás? Obrigado. Now you are becoming very young.
Sorry, Maharaj.
Now she becoming like 20 years girl. Very nice.
Always remember you, Maharaj. She's very busy, but you are in her heart all the time.
Yes.
This is Ernie.
Yes.
She works here with us.
Yes.
She always comes to the programs.
Yes, good.
Good to see you.
Are you getting some interest through chanting? Yes.
Since last year, she says.
Yes. Very nice. Very nice. Very nice. Yes, Vaishnav Maharaj came before. Yes, I heard that. Vaishnav Maharaj also last preaching in Brazil, your place, and he left his body. Always he is serving too much.
Yes.
In this way, you understand that if you came this world, you promised the Lord that you will chant His holy name, you serve to Him. That is your promise. For that you got this human body. Now you have to do your duty. You have to do your duty. Otherwise, what for we live in this world? What for we came here?
This is Sylvia.
Yes.
She's our student and she's our
Good,
wife.
very nice. Good appearance, very nice. I can see her smiling face, good mood.
She's very pious.
Yes, very nice.
This man, his name is Ramananda. He came as Ramananda to us already.
Okay, good. Raya Ramananda. He will be Raya Ramananda.
I have been to the ashram this weekend
Yes.
in Campus, and I chanted the holy names there.
Ah,
I
yes.
enjoyed very much.
Yes, good. Very nice, very nice. Very nice. I am very happy to hear.
So what's your wisdom word for us?
Yes, you only chant the holy name, be humble, tolerance and give honor to others, love and affection to the devotees, and chanting the holy name, do some Vaishnava Seva. In this way, you can proceed in your spiritual life. Understand? You can continue through practicing. That will fulfill your desire. Krishna reveal in your heart. You understand? Brahmando Brahmite kono bhagyavano jeev Guru Krishna prasade paay bhakti lata bis. That is, you are the fortunate when you will get the bhakti lata bis, and that you get nourishment through you. That will you will get result, fruitful result you will get.
Okay, thank you. Hope to see you one day.
Yes, very nice. And that Devabandhu near to you, who is that? I can see. Near to Damodar, yes. How is you, Damodar? He is always, yes. I am always I am giving you answer. Always Vidhi Margo answer. Yes, he is always following Vidhi Margo. That is good. Vidhi Marg. Yes. Vidhi Marg he is always following. Good. First Vidhi Marg, then Raga Marg is good line. How is your health? Now you are doing puja in Giriraj? Yes, good.
He's saying he's always disturbing you with questions.
No. I am happy to giving his answer. I am happy to give the answer. He wants to know everything. Very nice. He wants to be a perfect pujari. He wants to be a perfect pujari, not duplicate pujari. Good. Very nice.
This is
And
Vienna.
Yes.
She's old yoga student.
Yes.
She's been studying with us for some years.
Yes.
And she's very dear friend.
Yes.
And she's saying she wants to come to India with us to meet with you.
Good, good. I am also every day practicing jog half an hour.
Wow.
Yes, every day I am practicing half an hour for my health, my blood sugar, for my diabetic.
So hopefully by our grace she will come with us to India.
Yes, good.
And this is Mirella, she's another student.
Yes,
and
good.
we told you we'll be having darshan from you today, and
Yes,
she's eagerly
good.
coming to see
Very
you.
nice, very nice. Everybody, they will wear the Tulusi beads, Kontimala, okay? They can use Kontimala. Kontimala, everybody can use the Kontimala, understand?
Yes.
Before initiation or everything, no problem. Kontimala, everybody can use, okay?
Yes.
Yes.
Bye. And here also is Govinda Hari Prabhu and Radhika Devi.
Yes, I saw Govinda Hari's. Always I can recognize him very nice, Govinda Hari and Radhika. Because of his big hair. Yes, Radhika, how are you, Radhika? Yes, I am very happy. Yes.
She really wanted to. And Ananda Mai is watching through the computer and she also sent her the numbers.
Where is Anandamoyi?
She's working, she's in another state.
Okay.
So she's watching you through the computer.
Okay, good. Very nice. And Govinda Hari, when you published new book?
Yes, when you publish new book. We're trying to make progress. Maharaj, that is my question and request for you. We have one very big task and we cannot accomplish that without your blessings. and that is that Sripad Tapasvi Maharaj left.
Yes, Tapasvi Maharaj always printing, giving presentation all time to Gurudev, new publication.
Yes, and his last.
Now I am thinking that duty will do Govinda Hari.
So now he wants to finish the translation of Srimad Bhagavad Gita.
Yes.
So we want to ask for your blessings to do that, to do that service.
Of course, you will finish within this year. Yes, I hope and I have full desire you will finish within this year. Yes.
Now it is possible. I have the grace.
And you call all of them devotees always the devotees. No problem, you call time to time to the devotees with harmony and calm everybody program. Actually we have everybody has not good quality. but we have to accept their good quality, we have to reject their bad quality. Always time to time call to the devotees. They will join. Who is the old devotee, who is not properly participate, you also call them. Sometimes actually when they are doing some offense, actually devotees, Krishna is very merciful. If again they surrender, Krishna will engage to service them. I am very happy. Understand? In this, yes, in this way, our community will be big. Understand? Gurudev wanted to everybody jointly program everything, but problem is ego. Ego is eating everything. That is the big problem. Ego is the big problem of our life. Understand? That is the problem. Actually, we want everybody will become a master. We do not want everybody is the servant. That is our problem. Understand? We want to be a master. For that, we want to harmonize with everybody, program everything. But if sometimes they want their own mission, they want to make their own mission, that is the problem. But problem is who want to preaching for Gurudev, who want preaching for Guru, not for themselves. That is good. That is they will. I think they will preaching for Guru. They will not thinking for their own enjoyment. That I hope them. They will do that.
Yes.
Yes. And Prabhulla Prabhu, how are you?
Maharaj,
Yes.
how are you?
How are you?
I'm good. You tell me.
Yes. When you are coming?
I don't know, Maharaj. I hope soon. I'm missing you, I'm missing Mahananda very much. And
Yes.
even my children I'm missing. I've told to Guru Chandra 2 days back. I
Yes.
was with you, I was need to know that.
Gauru Sandhu with me. Venezuelan Gauru Sandhu with me yesterday.
Yes, I know.
Yes, and
See,
I am cook.
yes,
I am
you
cook.
cookie.
Yes. Yes. Now Nokul went his father's festival. Now I am cooking here. Nimai Chandra here. Sometimes many devotees coming always. Many devotees coming. Every day 10, 11 preparation making. And within 2 hours, 1.5 hours.
Guru Chandra was very happy with that. So many preparations.
Yes. When I go to Brazil, and Devabandhu and Nandapriya will cook and I will eat. I think so he will not forget Indian preparation.
No, I can't remember, Maharaj.
You know, that is very nice. Okay, Jai Sila.
We'll come to Brazil anytime, and when you come, we'll be all very happy.
Yes, I'll go. Because I am now managing in India everything properly very soon. You know, many center I am opening, many big program is doing on. You understand? Gurudev always was busy in the foreign country. He did not give attention properly in India. For that I have to do that, my job, understand?
Yes.
In this way, and I have many center is doing opening and many preaching is going on everywhere.
And Maharaj Gurudev's Murti in Siliguri.
Yes.
So, if you beautiful.
Yes.
Very colorful.
We're very, very happy to see.
Yes. Yes, Gurudev's favorite place, Siliguri, you know that, and Echo Chakra, Nityananda's birthplace. You know, I want to next, Nityananda Terodashi, I want to make another murti to there, and I want to send one murti in Venezuela.
Wow.
Yes, Venezuela, I am sending that same murti in Venezuela.
It's very
Caracas.
special.
Yes.
The devotees will be so happy.
Yes. Okay, Joy. Yes?
When you're going to Navadvip.
Yes, it is soon. I am going everywhere temple, but some problem is little bit court case is going on. It is court was open Monday court open, then some date will come, then it will be finished. I think so. Mercy from Gurudev, Krishna's mercy, all will be finished. Okay, because now Supreme Court, that is Delhi court, is vacation is going on, summer vacation.
Yes.
Okay, Jai Gurudev, Jai Guru Maharaj. Okay, Jai Vishnupada Jagat Guru Srila Bhakti Sundar Govinda Dev Goswami Maharaj ki Jai. All the sample on the Belagian devotees ki Jai. All the world devotees ki Jai. Harinam Sankirtan ki Jai. Samagat Sri Gaur Bhakta Vrindu ki Jai. All the worldwide devotees ki Jai. Harinam Sankirtan ki Jai. Samagat Sri Gaur Bhakta Vrindu ki Jai. Bhaktiraj Prahlad Maharaj Bhagavan Nishmadev ki Jai. Nitai Gaur Pranande Hari Hari Bol. Very nice. Okay, I am very happy to hear you all. I am thinking that will be the big center in the Brazil in São Paulo. You know that city I very like. You understand, many people can go there, staying there. Some room for the devotees. I want center, very big center in São Paulo like this. I want that together you can preaching, and I will be very happy. Understand? Yes.
Maharaj, would you like to maybe 1-2 minutes chant something?
Yes, no problem, I can chant. Jai Jashamati Nandana Brajavara Nagara